Hey, this is the baddest at the stadium right now.
Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, and we have a very busy day ahead of us. I feel like today is going to be a wonderful day, so it will be. There's a football game today I want to go to. I got a lot of cookie wash errands to do, just a lot to do. Let's get into the day. Okay, so all the lights come on, but it's not starting at all. Okay, so we're getting the car written up. This guy has some really cool earrings. Can you turn to the side? That's really awesome.
Thank you.
We're still gonna have an amazing day today, guys. We're not gonna let a little car trouble, because God could be saving me from an accident or anything right now. So we're staying positive, and we're drinking our chlorophyll water. So if you don't know, I got rid of my Lamborghini because of so many different reasons. How do you guys, I don't even know how to work this thing. I just hit coffee, regular. What just happened? All right, guys, so I'm in this big plaza. I let the Uber drop me to your door, fancy, but she ain't have shit, so I'm gonna walk to Rainbow, because I'm not letting this car thing ruin my day, for real, for real. All right, guys, do not sleep on Rainbow. Rainbow be having the same shit that you know what we having, okay? Like, look at this place. Okay, so the Dolphins is like orange and blue. I think this set is cute. I love this set too. And look at how they have this cute little schoolgirl skirt and stuff. They have a lot of cute active wear. I'm telling y'all, stop sleeping on what's this store? Rainbow. Okay, Rainbow be having some teams, little velour sets and stuff. Yeah, and basics, you know, just to get tights and tops. Okay, I'll let you guys know what I come with. So of course I had to come check on my rental property, and I'm a little annoyed because it seems they've left the shed door open. It's a lot, guys, it's a lot. And we're very close to game time, so I might just try on the stuff I got here. Yeah, I might just try on everything I got. I need to buy more rocks. Try on. You guys, the bathroom came out exquisite. I wanted the tile to go all the way up, and my grandma cussed out the man, so he stopped working. But I'm sure she did it for a good reason. Anything my grandmother said, me said too. So yeah, this is my outfit today. Little cute tennis skirts. Okay, I love this. I got this from Amazon. I got this. I showed you guys in the vlog that I got this. The vlog that I did Shantia's show. This is a little, but I mean, hey, I'm just obsessed with the shower. This came out lovely. Anyway, everyone uses this spot as like a storage. So, because once I got it, I was just telling my grandma, it don't make sense you pay for storage, because as you know, she's a hoarder. So we all store shit in here. I don't know where she got this damn dresser. She just be having shit, guys. Anyways, this bathroom is left to be done. And once we do this, and the backyard finish and try to find somebody for the pavements, we can move on and sell it or rent it or whatever we choose. It's our world. We're a bit pressed for time, so I'm gonna try on my rainbow clothes here. This is also an option. Loads of problems. The phone died. I asked my mom to drive over here on my other phone, and because I'm dedicated, I didn't forget that I was trying on clothes for you guys. All right, guys, I'm using this tinted Moisturizer Fenty. And I don't have no brush. I don't got shit here. Glad I even had this here. All right, guys. I am in the car at the beauty supply store because I needed to buy lashes. And I called my Uber from here. Because as you know, my car is still in the shop. I was doing my edges.
Oh, and okay, I was doing the edges though. And then,
Yeah.
and then you come in and Canada or me, you tell me, you say, oh, okay,
I'm just a girl.
you're just a girl. You see, that's a girl. Nice door.
All right, guys, 7:43, and I made it 10 minutes after kickoff. So I'm not that.
What's going on here?
I'm not that late. Okay.
Hey, what? Hey.
So this time I'm watching the game at Club Live instead of outside. You guys, the club is like far as fuck. Okay, so we finally found it. Hey to the vlog. It says Live entrance. Okay, this is the club. Live. A vibe. I don't see the vibe. I would prefer to be down there in my usual seats. But let's see, my seats, like my actual seats. I thought Club Live was like a party. That's what I thought. I guess not. I'm gonna have to show them my ticket, so I'll come back when I'm sitting down. Oh, you guys, I'm tripping. There's something upstairs. You had to go up the stairs. Oh, this is more like the vibe I was expecting. Yeah. Oh, it's Trick Daddy. Trick Daddy, you can say hi to my vlog. I'm vlogging.
Hey, come here.
Can you say hi to my vlog? YouTube, say hey.
Let me ask you a
vlog.
question though.
Yes.
Who you going for?
Dolphins. See?
Hey, really? That blue shit? Nigga?
Yes. Yes. Okay, so it's really mostly everybody hangs out at the bar up here, it seems. A few people watch the game, but it looks like the bar is the spot at this type of seating. Hi guys, this is 2 times Juice Man Kelly. He wears 2 watches. This is his friend. Are you his friend too? Okay, that's them guys.
Come back and have a drink with me.
They sell food here?
Listen, I need you to finish vlogging. Come have a
All right, y'all. So far, I don't like it up here. Somebody spared me a chicken wing, but I'd rather be like where I usually sit. Okay, the team is blocking. Say hi to my vlog. This is my favorite contractor who's still not done with my backyard, but he's trying, trust me. He's doing better than the other bozos I told you about. Anyway, so I ended up in a suite. This is the suite life. This is the suites. Okay, guys, this is my friend Courtney. To the building. And Courtney's a gentleman, ladies. Get at him.
There you go.
Courtney no want nobody. I waste your time.
Not bad. Everybody on the couch. It's healthy. It's a healthy thing.
I'm trying to be healthy, y'all, but I don't think I'm ready for that level of healthy. But this is the thing about a Dolphins game. It really does feel like family. So you see how went to live, ended up with Courtney. Like you just see so many people. So it's important to just get out the house sometimes, network. You never know what can happen for you. I found the best contractor. How did I meet you? I don't even know where. But outside. Go outside. Get out your house.
talk to something for an hour and not get a response back, you need to go sit on somebody's couch.
Yeah.
And you just get rammed up and talk. And then you realize when you hit that red end button, ain't nobody saying nothing to you.
Let me tell you something about Tim. He's letting me know that I really need to might get checked out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That kind of is like schizophrenia.
So but you know, I'm an only child, so I'm used to talking to myself.
Next time you do that, you're going to think about it. I don't want to mess up your content creation.
See, I like him. He said we could talk to ourselves. Just what? Exactly. Alright guys, it's halftime. It's like way busier. Alright, it's way more packed now. Now it's giving club. Alright guys, it's way more packed. The halftime crowd. You know what? Pardon me. As you can see, immediately I'm sweating. Woo!
You're not crap! Bullshit!
Yeah.
Bullshit!
Y'all support this shit, man. Hey,
You
look.
bought it for your girl?
Hey, if your girl need to get A1, I'm talking about clean, speaking clean.
Yeah.
Go ahead and hit that button.
You guys, I ended back up in the lounge. And I met another friend. Hey, baby. She's body gold. She's covered up right now, but she is. All right, game day is officially over. My name's Star. Alright guys, game day complete. I'm about to go to Dukunoo and go eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. When you're in Miami, the best Jamaican food in Miami.
Runaway now, stepping in some wrong way. Bitch, you can't fuck with me on your birthday.